I'll be bringing in merch from DragCon sa CDO. Ha? Teka ka. Hello? Baka makapirate daw. Hello? Who's coming to CDO? I'm gonna be selling some DragCon like sobrang mga merch. This one's available. We have this. We have this holographic one. Ayun, nakikita siya. We have this. And it's all pre-signed. So, get it. Get it, baby. So, I'm just gonna be bringing few ones. Para, hindi masyado madaming bit-bit. Hello. Yeah, let's just sign merch. Merchandisa. Let's get it, baby. Ang ganda na to. Tangina nyo. Hello. CDO merch time. Bring me down. Lagyan natin ito dito. Si Kaka, yes. Ganyan. Pag drag superstar, last minute na, empake. Yes. We're just doing signings. Yes. So, kunyari may merch tayo nila kahit sign prints lang. Sige, wag mo kang pati, iyak na lang ako dito, te. Deserve. Walang kaba sa last minute impake. Of course, sa training tayo ng LA trip natin. Girl, a mama behind you. Go. Ang ganda talaga ng photos na to. OA. Look. Oh guys, look oh. There's like different textures with different photos. And then this one. Sa 31 po, Jose, punta kayo. Yes. Guys, oh. Look at this shit. Yes. Sa ngalan mo, Mama O, papasa ako na. What if gusto kong sabihin na bumagsak ka? Gusto kong bumagsak ka. Are you gonna do that for me, baby? Don't change. The material, girl. Yes, girl. Quality fucking merch, baby. Affordable as fucking prices, baby. Naliwanag ako sa DragCon, so if you guys want this, I don't think I'll be opening my merch store anymore. Unless, I just wanna see how beautiful you are. See, I know you're a star. How far? How much is that, Mima? Wala kang pakialam. Hindi ko pa alam kung magkano. Magkano kaya ito bibenta? Mga 500 million pesos. Shit, ang mahal. Basta, I'll be selling this there. If you guys want it, just fucking get it there. can I buy that in CDO Max? Sa Superstar. Kung saan kami magsho-show. All-Stars ka na ma. Bakit ba ako pinangungunahan? Unaunahan niyo ako. Kung sabihin yung All-Stars na yan, bahala kayo dyan. Gulatan na lang, nak. Oh. Mima, ang cute mo. Can you guys fucking stop calling me Mima? I hate it. Cringe. Cringe kayo. Cringe kaayo. Ha. What do you want to... Okay, tapos na ako. See you guys there. So, I'm done. Okay, again, review lang tayo. These are like DragCon exclusive merch that I will be bringing to CDO. Wala yung ibang merch kasi nasa San Diego pa. Kasi hindi ko na siya inuwi because tinatamad na ako mag-uwi ng merch. Isang maleta din yun, no? Who would you win a fight to death? Carlos Yudo's mother with a bow and arrow or Pia Wurtzbach but she has a sword? I feel like I'm gonna win a fight between ang ina mo. Eto muna, focus tayo. Nawawala yung focus ko eh. So, this is my merch that I'll be bringing to CDR. So, I'm just gonna have a layover later sa Japan for like 6 hours. So, after that, I'll be going straight to CDO. Yes. So, eto yung merch ko. Iba-ibang texture yan. Eto yung the winning look. Nagkaka-filter yung merch. So, ayan. See, this one, the tahong, and the basura look. Yes. Kayo na magdala nito. Okay, I'm coming to the PH from UK next March. Do you have bookings for them? Surprise! March, just coming March. I have things planned. But I don't know if I'm gonna be out and about when March comes. Cause I have plans that coming month. Doon ko siya in-schedule eh. I'm not gonna be saying why I'm gonna be gone for the month of March, but yes, I have plans and shit. Obi Cornt, yes. Hey Queen, yes. Ang weird, parang ang daming taong mga like first time makakita ng live ko ha. Like that's weird. Ay kasi obsessed kayo sa mga mga latest season girls. Hindi niyo na kami pinapansin. Wow, lang talaga ang season 2 girls. Grabe, next year pa ma, baka gumunaw na mundo na. Yes. How are you today, Queen? I'm chill. I'm done packing. No, I don't think so. No, mga pampasok niya sa loob. But yeah, mag-impake tayo ng aking Queen, you were on my top sa season 2. Congratulations. Guess what, Mimi? Spoiler alert, they eliminated me 1 episode before the finale. Because of what? Storylines. Ooh. Yes. What am I gonna be wearing for airport? You know what? Mag-shorts na lang ako sa airport. Hindi na para mag-effort. Episode 9 pa lang ako sa season 2. Team Hana. Episode 9 ka pa lang. Te, matatanggal talaga ako sa episode na yan. Te, kawawa ka naman. I feel bad, baby. I'm gonna get eliminated that episode. Are you prepared to cry? Bawl your eyes out? Wala pa ba tumawag sa'yo? Kung meron na tumawag sa akin kanina, follow up ng payment. Ng credit card. May wala. Mito, spoil mo pa ma. Yes, tapos ang mananalo is si Kat. Kiss. You still slayed, ma. Ang dami ko naman anak. Forget the troubles. Ba't ka pagising, ma? May flight ako later ng anong oras flight ko? 5 a.m. Baka pwede ko naman sabihin, hindi mo sila mapasukan sa loob ng
Taray, dinugsa.
o dinugsa. Oh, we can't. Walang haba sa pagdagsa na kanyang mga fans sa loob ng airport. Security system ng NAIA International Airport nagsadula na ng mga bagay-bagay na hindi natin ginugusto. Pagkain ng tipon-tipon. Ingat ka dito sa flight nyo, Queen. Yes, Queen. Nakakairita yung ang condescending niya pakinggan. Sana matawagan ka na hahaha. Na-miss ko pang o-okray mo sa confessionals. Baby, daing fucking pang o-okray. I'm just telling the fucking truth, baby. Baby, I don't have to fucking read the girls. They can do that to themselves. Baby. But I just answer when I need to. Baby. Okay, bilangin ko na yung damit ko. So, this is my arrival look. Di Alex, paabot na ako ng necklace ko na nandoon. Tara, shot sa beach. Girl, I'm looking for a beach. Let's go to the beach. Okay, this is the airport. Look simple lang, low-key. Kasi baka pagkaguluhan sa airport. Lagi naka-face mask. Naka-glasses. Oh yeah, don't, put the glasses there sa table. Yung Gentle Monster, yung dadali natin. So that is the look for that. And then, I need my pokey shorts. Airport look reveal. Ma, I'm planning to do drag, but I don't know how to expose it. Any advice? Wag na te. Lahat na ng tao nagdadrag te. Tama na. Parang awa nyo na. Hindi na tayo magkandamayaw sa bookings talaga. Agawan na lang talaga sa bookings. Tang ina. Ovi, may show ka ba sa Manila I wanna watch? I have my own show this coming October 31 with Beauty Photo and the Royalties. The title of the show is Gods and Monsters, The Ruins, Techno, Drag, and Fashion. Paluan! Boop! 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 Pa-party tayo, nak! Yes, I need my pokey shorts because I am what? Magja-jogging tayo sa CDO. Yes, ayan yun, si Gawel, one of my promoters. See you. Yes. Iba ko promoters para deadma. How much? It's just 250 pesos, baby. That's fucking cheap. Sa lahat ng Halloween party, ako yung pinakamura. And here's the reason why. It's not that I'm underselling myself. It's more on recently kasi ang daming conversations about techno rave parties that are super expensive. But we're trying to hone a community base. But the thing with that is it has to be expensive because they have to pay for other things. So now that I have the chance to make it accessible to everybody who wants to experience raves, I give it na. Yeah. Live Universex to gagawin. Pukpuk mo yung ulo mo sa pader. Baka sakaling dalawa yung view mo. So there, I have my pokey shorts. I have my other shorts. My tokong shorts. Hindi na ako dadala ng denim. Tangin na mainit. Eat like lavabo. Look at you. Ilang underwear yung dala ko? 85,000. Manifesting ikaw ang first drag queen na mamit ko. What if tarayan kita at masira yung fantasy mo? Sabi nila, diba, don't meet your idols. Ayun ako, minsan tinutopak pa naman ako. Tanong nyo dyan sa mga bakala. Tutopak ako. Pag ayoko magpa-picture, ayoko talaga. That's what you call respecting boundaries and space. Tapos 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes! 8 shirts for how many days? Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Anong oras uwi ko ng Monday? Gabi pa naman. Makakain pa ako. So, there you go. Because you crossed my mind. Yes. Tapos ilang underwear dala ko? 1, 2, 3. T-shirt ito. 4, 5. 6 underwear para hindi matae. Yes! Hello! Rems Malyari, tang ina mo. So, wali ka na pala ngayon eh. Wait lang, walang antak ang Thailand. Actually, di pa ako nanonood. Ito may papayagan sa hand carry. 700. Charot lang, 50. Magsha-shot ka ba sa beach sa CDO? I want to. So mga bakala, kung sinong gusto ng exclusive OV-Con CDO correspondence, i-follow nyo or sumali kayo sa Con Collective na si Azzy Kerr. Azzy Kerr, siya ang kasama na ito na headset. Yes! Queens Walkings 5 minutes. Sinabihan ako ni Derek, ang ingay nyo daw sa mic. Ang dadaldal nyo. So, ito yung hand carry natin ng Bagelya. Yes. Paalala nyo sa akin, magdala ng charger, ha? Ay, kunin ko yung extension ko kasi anto na naman tayo, mag-hotel na naman ako. Wala na namang saksakan, parang tanga. Bakit nga ba ganun yung bakit nga ba ganun yung mga tawag dito? Bakit nga ba ganoon yung mga hotel? Ang hirap sira pa yung zipper ko. Huwag kalimutan magdala ng charger ng babe. Yes! At huwag kalimutan ang poppers. Go na sister. Ayan na. Alam mo, actually, nawawala yung mga charger ko. But anyway. Hindi, like yung pang vape ko. Yung mga, All you want to do is cry. So, I have this bag and this bag. Kay Hana. Oh, favorite moment mo sa Drag Race Philippines Season 2? Favorite moment ko yung ginagaslight ako. Eme! Hi! No, sister. Favorite niyang moment na hulog siya sa hagdan? Yes! Alam niyo ba, ito yung chika dyan? Parang, ako po, yun ay parang Second day of filming, so si Bakla, outfit, putang ina, workroom outfit, curated lahat ng damit ko. Hindi umulit ng damit unless second day na ng shoot. Nakarobe na lang ako sa workroom. Anyway, baba kami hagdanan nila ang katabi ko noon si Bernie, ako, si Hana, at si Mama Rems. Botswana pa si Bakla, fashion, wow! Go Botswana, hey hey. Go Boots. Oh, boobs. Ano nangyari sa akin? Bumagsak ako sa hagdanan na nakaluhod. Kasi pag ganito ako bumagsak. Tapos walang tumulong sa akin. Si Bernie ngumiti lang. Si Hana tumawa lang. Tapos gasgas yung buong ganito ko. Yes, God, pero it's not there na kasi I'm what makinis. Yes. Anong chika nyo? What's that? Baka na favorite horror movie mo? Yung Elimination Take Off. Emerit. Sakit nun, true. Saet nun. Ay, dapat pala hindi ko pinaano ko sa iyo. Hindi na, saksak ko na nga lang dito yung mga underwear. Ganyan mag-empake. Aurora Matrix, is this how you pack? Sister, when are you gonna go back here? When are you gonna go here in the Philippines, baby? Red Bernadette, yes, i-follow niyo si Red Bernadette. Siya ang mag-a-assist sa akin. Yes, baby. See you in Saturday, babe. Dapat on. Diba? See you on Saturday. Yes. Masarap ka ba? Eme. Shit, ang dami ko pang pera. What if magdala ako ng pantalon isa? Guys, magdadala pa ako. Do I need to pack a pants? See you bukas yes. Kasi I have so much space pa. Oh, I can... Ay, wala akong ano. Wala akong pasalubong ko ha. Ay, oo nga. Pa yung pasalubong ni Bakla. O, go. Isip akong pasabigyan ng merch. Yan. Masarap ka ba? Yes. Makita yan na. Go. Sabihin ko saan. Anong pangalan ng reservation nyo? Kaninong pangalan? Kay Ate Beth. Sabihin ko ilayo yung hotel room sa akin. Oh yes! Okay, ito na yung ano ko. Go ng empake ng pang-alis mamaya walang underwear. Nagkalus-lus na lang talaga. Wala akong bra. Shit. She has skinny queen or something. Yes. It's that Moreno kid. Hi. I don't know you, baby. The fuck? Na ano lang ako. I love people with with usernames like that. Magpag-giveaway ka ba ng merch me? I don't know, baby. I'm not sure. Gusto nyo ba? Mamigay ako ng merch? Let's see. Ang tanong ko muna sa'yo, do you wanna guess the color of my underwear? Do you wanna know what gonna down there? Is it anything that's pink or see-through? A black tattoo. And put it in your mouth. And not down south. Meron pa pala akong polong kailangan No thanks, babe. The fuck? Oh, na, go. Ang libog naman ni Yas. Sinabi pa talaga yung santolan. Bastos mo, sister. Ingat, OV. Ba't pa kayo ingat? Totoo ba na nakikinig kay Zild sa Cavite, mga taga-Imos Cavite? Bitch, I don't fucking know what you just said. That doesn't make sense. Baka mabad. Yes. Pababa na po tayo ng Santolan, skinny girl. Skinny Avenue. Ito mag-impake ng polo. Kasi naman yung hotel natin, wala na naman silang hindi ako pwede manghiram ng plancha kasi wala na namang plancha. Meron bang bidet yun?
Pero, kaya nga tayo babalik dun.
Okay. Rambutan Avenue, corner Skinny Boulevard East. How's your life lately, mga rog? Sa ngalan ng sining at sa ngalan ng kangaungawan. Yes. I think I can pack another another pantalon.
Hindi na linya yung mali.
No, this is the one I'm gonna be wearing for tomorrow. Of course, I need this.
Yan yung personal bag.
This is my personal bag.
Tapos chargers na yun.
Yeah, that's it.
Hindi ka magdadala ng hanggang na bag. Yun na yun.
Ito na. Kasi natatamad ako.
Mukha ko.
Yes. Oh my God, ang dami ng tao ng 10:59 ha. Umabot tayo ng 75 kanina. Alam mo, hindi ko chinarge yung what? Yung headphones. Hindi, nakacharge ko yung headphones. Yung power bank. So, charge ko yun a bit. Pagdating ng 1 a.m.
Hindi mo ito dadala.
No, kasi wala nga yung corset, diba, na dapat dinala mo.
Sorry na.
Yes. I'm just gonna get another. Where you going? I'm gonna go to CDO, baby. Pack your shits, ma. You're gonna be swimming with the Oro fish. Yeah, I just watched the yung K-breeding na show. The brand. Eh baka mabulag ako, di ba ganun niya? Pag nakita daw yung yung Oro fish. That's wrong. What can you say about Dragons Philippines season 3? Fucking work. Hindi ako makachika like while airing yung season because I basically know what happened because I worked behind the scene for the season. So I know everything. So I don't really know, I'm not sure kung ano yung mga pwede kong ichika because I don't know kung ano yung mga ilalabas nila. Because I know more than you guys. Yes. So, that's it. I just need, on my underwear, I need socks. At least 3 para hindi mabaho.
Anong suot mong shoes papunta?
Crocs lang. Kasi, naman, natin dito.
Tapos yung rubber shoes na sa akin.
It's inside the bag.
Nandito na? Nandito
It's inside the maleta. Oh, she be like, production or whatever. Yes. Well, yes! So that's it. Bumababa na yung energy ko. I'll see you guys around. Say hi. Yeah. Let's hang out. Let's see ya. Or no, let's not hang out. No, I don't want that. But yeah, any beach recos, I really want to go to the beach. Let's go get away. They say what they gonna say. Have a ring on the bad light. Bad bitch like me, it's hard to come by. I drown, let's go get it on. The song, let's sing the song. Is it 2, 3, 3? I'll blow my money and flow. I love. Go to 7 Seas. Where is that? Where is that though? I don't know where that is. Kailangan ko ng beach. Let's go to the beach. Let's go get away. They say, what they gonna say? Yeah, see you around CDO kasi inaamat ako, di ba? Guys, I love running and walking now. That's my cardio. And I wanna run around CDR. So, do you feel like because of season 3, season 2 and season 1 are left behind? Do you want me to block you? Do you really want me to spiral right now? The fuck? No, I don't have to. Bahala kayo sa buhay nyo. I'm doing my own thing. That's the most important thing. Ilang days kasi CDO ma? 75 days. Kasi magpapari po ako sa loob ng CDO. No, I'll be there until Monday only. Yes. So that's it. It's 12:04. I have how many hours left? 12, 1, 2, 3 hours? Yeah, almost like that. 1 plus 1, 2. Ano bang pakialam mo? Man. So yeah, I'll be running around CDO exploring with my headphones on. Say hi. Yeah, that's it. See you around in my pokey running shorts. Yeah. Felicia Ding. Ding, ding, ding. Katakot, no? Nakikita na yung mga no? Mas obvious na ngayon yung mas obvious na ngayon yung mga next na queens na papasok. Like, kitang-kita siya. Ewan ko Yun lang naman yung napansin ko, guys. I feel like that's, my opinion only. I feel like, eto na, okay. Okay, everybody. Obicut news. Here we fucking go. Eto na yung drag archetype na napapasok for season 4. An over queen, a nectar queen, OFW queen, a spoke queen, an alt queen, Malaya, an alt queen, a CDO queen, another provincial queen, somebody na parang legendary, ganun yung atake, trans girly, a trans queen, ano pa ba? A fierce brand new queen, parang newcomer na sobrang fierce. Somebody from the House of Ding, at Felicia, or Bomba, kung sino man sa inyo gusto pumasok. Dalawa na lang. Somebody from the royalties, right? One more, kung 12 yung papasok. Someone who's like surprised. Yung parang surprise, parang I didn't think she's gonna get in. Parang ganong energy. Okay, let's go back again. Again. Here's the thing with drag den queens. Like, I have no problem with them coming into Drag Race. My thing is we have so much other undiscovered queens that I think we have to push out first. Though it would be amazing to have them as part of the Drag Race family, but I feel like we need to have undiscovered artists to be prioritized first. You know what I mean? But if they want to join, then I'm not part of the casting. Sure, if they want to, but that's how I feel about it. Especially like, the specific queens that people are like pushing to be part of the show. May poster po kayo, yes. Melo, pagaling ka te. Wowie. Anyway, yeah, so let's go back to Drag Race. So here's like, ito yung casting for the next season that I could see. An Ober Queen, Nectar Queen, Alt Queen, hindi, yung muna, drag archetypes. Ober Queen, Nectar Queen, wait, ulit. Nalilito ako. Nectar, Obar, royalties. Probably may chance somebody from Rampa, who knows? Somebody from Rampa, an alt queen, Malaya, OFW queen, sino pa ba? Someone from CDO, somebody brand new na parang sobrang fierce lang niya talaga kahit baguhan siya. Because at this point, season 3 proved that you don't have to have a very, very long drag career to be amazing in drag. Someone from the House of Ding, another Bisaya queen, some social media person na maingay sa social media ngayon for the clout, and somebody legendary. Yung parang, alam mo yan, na parang every season lagi siyang nasa cast list. So that's my Drag Race projection. Does it make sense? So yeah. Oh my god, may all sets na pala. Kala ko kaya ano yan, tatlo lang chalet. What the fuck are you saying? Crazy ass. Yes, Malaya for season 4. We need to redeem the image of out. Sorry. Not sorry. Yeah, so that's how I see it. Premonition niya lang yan, Bax. Correct. Kaya awayin nyo. Correct. So funny. Parang carry naman kung walang filter. Wala akong fresh. Eee! Yes. Uh-huh. So anybody from CDO here? I'm excited. Who's like, who's excited for the CDO show? Ano? Honestly, you should be packing because tomorrow, what time is your flight?